In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for YouTube titles. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find what people are searching for on YouTube and turn those insights into titles that get more clicks. First, open Google Trends. This is Google's free tool for showing what topics people are searching for and how interest changes over time. Once you're on the homepage, click Explore. That takes you into the workspace where you can run searches and adjust filters. Next, add a search term. In the search box, type your topic. For this walkthrough, let's use AI tools as the example. Now refine your results so they match your audience. Choose your country to localize interest, set a date range that fits your content cadence. 30 to 90 days is great for catching recent momentum, and then change the search type from web search to YouTube search. This switch is crucial because it shows you what people are actually typing into YouTube, not just Google. You'll see interest over time. This line graph is indexed from 0 to 100, with 100 representing the peak popularity for your chosen time and place. It doesn't show exact search counts, but it's perfect for spotting momentum. A steady climb suggests a topic worth leaning into now. Sharp spikes can be timely, but they may fade quickly, so consider whether your video can publish while interest is still high. Below the chart, you'll also notice the graph details updating as you change filters. Use that responsiveness to test different ranges and confirm the trend is real, not a one-day blip. If the line holds across multiple recent windows, that's a solid signal. Scroll to the queries section. Here you'll find commonly searched queries related to your topic. Treat these as the phrasing your audience is already using. Incorporating them naturally into your titles can boost discoverability, especially when they match viewer intent. You'll also see top queries. These are the most searched related terms during your selected period. They're reliable anchors for evergreen or broad appeal titles because they reflect consistent interest. Right next to that, check rising queries. These highlight the fastest growing searches. If you see the label breakout, that means the term is surging. Rising queries are gold for timely videos and quick turn titles. Just remember to keep your title accurate. Reflect the rising term while clearly describing what your video delivers. Put it all together by picking a topic with healthy interest over time, then weaving in a top or rising query to shape a clear, compelling YouTube title.